Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and you keep getting this dev error 0xD8E46539, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Call of Duty Black Ops 6 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to click the options key on your controller on Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and then you're going to go into restore license here. And here you're going to select restore, and when you select restore, it will restore your Call of Duty's license and it will verify the integrity of your game's files with the PlayStation Store. And once it does that, it will fix your dev error on Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and then you'll get this window, license restored. Your license is restored and your game is now fixed, and now you can go ahead and play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on your PlayStation or computer or wherever you want to play the game. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.